This video will demonstrate how to conduct a one-way between subjects analysis of variance in SPSS. In this data set, we have an independent variable or an explanatory variable, which is school. There are 4 universities: UT Austin, UT Pan American, UT Brownsville, and UT Dallas. And we have a measure of employment confidence of prospective graduates. We go to Analyze, Compare Means, One-way ANOVA. We enter in our potential explanatory variable or independent variable, school, as the factor. We enter our outcome variable or our dependent variable into the dependent list, and then we will want to select several options. We will want the descriptive statistics, and we'll want to investigate if we have a problem with the homogeneity of variance assumption through the homogeneity of variance test. We click continue, and then we run the analysis. In the first table in our output, we will have descriptive statistics, the mean within each school, the standard deviation, standard error, confidence intervals, and minimum and maximum scores. We will also have the homogeneity of variance test. This will give us some information about whether or not we have a problem with the homogeneity of variance assumption. Based on an inspection of the standard deviations and an inspection of the results of this test, I would conclude that there is not a major problem with homogeneity of variance, although there is certainly some differences between the conditions. Looking at the ANOVA table, we can see that in fact we have detected a significant difference between the conditions in employment confidence. So we'll want to go ahead and conduct a follow-up test to see where those differences are. So we will go to Analyze, Compare Means, One-way ANOVA, and under Post Hoc Tests, we'll select the Tukey test to see where those differences are. Click Continue, and run the analysis. Now we'll duplicate our previous output, so we'll skip past that, and we'll take a look at the table labeled Post Hoc Tests. In this table, we can see that there are significant differences between UT Austin and UTD, such that UT Austin had higher employment confidence, and there are also significant differences, a significant difference between UTPA and UTD, such that UTPA has higher employment confidence. There were no other significant differences detected, so all other pairwise differences were not statistically significant. There was a difference that was approaching statistical significance between UT Brownsville and UTD, such that UT Brownsville had evidence to suggest a slightly higher amount of employment confidence.